Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Zephyr and today we are going to talk about going to school.
Hello everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Zephyr, how are you today?
I'm doing very well. Thank you. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is wonderful.
Today we are talking about going to school.
Yes, it is an interesting topic.
I think everyone has many school memories.
I agree. School is an important part of life.
What time do you usually wake up on school days?
Usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
That is early.
Yes, I like to have enough time before school.
What is the first thing you do?
First, I make my bed.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
What do you do next?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I do the same every morning.
Then I take a shower.
Do you have breakfast before school?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and a banana.
That sounds healthy.
What about you?
I usually eat cereal and drink a glass of milk.
That is a good breakfast too.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I get dressed in my school uniform.
Do you like wearing a school uniform?
Yes, it is simple and comfortable.
Understand.
Then I pack my school bag.
What do you put in your bag?
Pack my books, notebooks, pencils, and water bottle.
Do you also carry your lunch?
Yes, sometimes I bring lunch from home.
That is a great idea.
My family likes to prepare healthy food.
That sounds nice.
Thank you.
How do you go to school?
I usually go by bus.
Is the bus crowded?
Sometimes it is.
Do you enjoy the bus ride?
Yes, I like looking outside the window.
That sounds relaxing.
Sometimes I talk with my friends on the bus.
That must be fun.
Yes, we laugh and tell stories.
I usually ride my bicycle to school.
Really?
Yes, it is good exercise.
I think that is healthy.
Thank you.
What time do you arrive at school?
I usually arrive at 8 o'clock.
I arrive a few minutes before class starts.
That is a good habit.
I do not like being late.
Neither do I.
What do you do when you arrive?
I say good morning to my teachers and friends.
That is very polite.
Then I go to my classroom.
I also go straight to my classroom.
Do you enjoy learning new things at school?
Yes, every day I learn something new.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
That is wonderful.
I also enjoy science.
I like English and mathematics.
Learning is fun when the teacher is kind.
I completely agree.
A good teacher makes learning enjoyable.
Yes, school is a great place to learn and make friends.
Absolutely.
Now, let's talk about what we usually do during our school day.
Great idea.
What is your first class in the morning?
My first class is English.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, I really enjoy English class.
Why do you like English?
Because I like learning new words and speaking English.
That is wonderful.
What is your first class?
My first class is mathematics.
Do you enjoy mathematics?
Yes, I like solving simple math problems.
That is great.
After the first class, we usually have a short break.
We also have a short break.
What do you do during the break?
I talk with my friends.
That sounds fun.
Sometimes we eat a small snack.
What is your favorite snack?
I like apples and sandwiches.
Those are healthy choices.
Thank you.
I usually eat a banana.
Bananas give us energy.
Yes, they are very healthy.
Do you play during the break?
Sometimes I play football with my friends.
That sounds exciting.
What do you like to do?
I like walking around the schoolyard with my friends.
That sounds relaxing.
We talk and laugh together.
Having good friends makes school more enjoyable.
I completely agree.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English
Why do you like it?
because I enjoy speaking and reading English.
That is wonderful.
What is your favorite subject?
I like science.
Why do you like science?
I enjoy learning about nature and animals.
Science is very interesting.
Yes, every lesson teaches us something new.
Do you ask questions in class?
Yes, if I do not understand something, I ask my teacher.
That is a good habit.
My teachers are always kind and helpful.
My teachers are very friendly too.
Do you enjoy group activities?
Yes, I like working with my classmates.
Teamwork is important.
We learn from each other.
That is true.
Sometimes we do fun classroom games.
Games make learning easier.
I agree.
What do you usually do after your classes?
I organize my books and notebooks.
I also check my homework.
Homework helps us practice.
Yes, practice makes us better.
Do you go to the library after school?
Sometimes I do.
What do you do there?
I read English books and storybooks.
That is a great way to improve English.
Thank you.
I also like reading in the library because it is quiet.
A quiet place helps us focus.
Yes, I can study better there.
What time do you usually go home?
I usually go home at 3:30.
I leave school at 4 o'clock.
How do you go home?
I ride my bicycle.
I take the bus home.
Do you feel tired after school?
Sometimes, but I also feel happy because I learn many new things.
I feel the same.
Every school day is a new opportunity to learn.
I completely agree.
School helps us become smarter and more confident.
Yes, learning is an exciting journey.
Now let's learn some useful English words and sentences from today's conversation.
Now, let's learn some useful English from today's conversation.
Great idea.
Our first sentence is, I go to school by bus.
This is a very common sentence.
We use go to school when we travel to school.
Example, I go to school by bicycle.
Very good.
Another useful sentence is, I arrive at school at 8 o'clock.
We use arrive when we reach a place.
Example, I arrive at school early.
Excellent.
Another sentence is, I study English every day.
This is a simple daily routine sentence.
Example, I study English after school.
Very nice.
Let's learn another sentence.
I do my homework every evening.
This means you complete your schoolwork at home.
Example, I do my homework before dinner.
Very easy.
Now, let's learn some useful school vocabulary.
Great.
School,
A place where students learn.
classroom,
A room where lessons take place.
teacher,
A person who teaches students.
student,
A person who learns at school.
homework,
Schoolwork that students do at home.
library,
A place where you can read and borrow books.
notebook,
A book used for writing notes.
school bag.
A bag used to carry books and school supplies.
Wonderful.
Now let's talk about grammar.
Today we are using the simple present tense.
We use it to talk about habits, routines, and facts.
Listen to this sentence.
I go to school every weekday.
This is the simple present tense.
Another example,
She studies English every day.
notice the word studies.
Yes, when a verb ends with y, we often change y to I and add es.
Here are more examples.
He watches TV after school.
She finishes her homework before dinner.
It starts at 8 o'clock.
Very good.
Now, let's look at I, you, we, and they.
We do not add s or es.
Example, I study English.
We go to school.
They read books.
Excellent.
Now, let's learn one regular verb.
The verb is study.
Study, studied, studied.
It is a regular verb because we add ed in the past.
Now, an irregular verb.
The verb is come.
Come, came, come.
The past form is came, not comed.
That is important to remember.
Yes, many English learners make that mistake.
Now, let's practice pronunciation.
Great.
Say this sentence slowly.
I go to school by bus.
Very good.
Now another one.
I study English every day.
Excellent.
One more.
I do my homework after
Great job.
school. Practice these sentences every day.
Repeating simple sentences improves your speaking.
It also improves your listening.
Learning English takes time.
Yes, but practicing every day will help you improve.
Small daily practice leads to big success.
I completely agree.
Now, let's invite our listeners to join today's conversation. Before we finish today's conversation, we have a question for you.
Yes, we would love to hear from you.
How do you usually go to school?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We enjoy reading your comments.
Your answers help you practice English.
That is true.
Keep your sentences simple.
For example, you can write, I go to school by bus.
Or, I ride my bicycle to school.
Every sentence is good practice.
Do not worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Exactly.
If you are enjoying this conversation, please don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations and podcasts.
We upload new English learning videos every week.
We hope our videos help you speak English with confidence.
Now, let's continue talking about school.
I think school is a wonderful place to learn.
I agree. Every day we learn something new.
We also meet our teachers and friends.
Friends make school more enjoyable.
Yes, we can study and play together.
Helping our classmates is also important.
Kindness makes the classroom a happy place.
That is very true.
We should always respect our teachers.
Yes, they help us learn and grow.
We should also listen carefully in class.
Good listening helps us understand better.
Asking questions is a good habit too.
Never be afraid to ask for help.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
Practice is the key to success.
A little practice every day makes a big difference.
Before we finish, let's review today's useful words.
School,
Classroom,
teacher,
student,
homework,
library,
notebook,
school bag,
bicycle.
bus.
Excellent.
We also learned useful sentences.
I go to school by bus.
I study English every day.
I do my homework after school.
I arrive at school at 8 o'clock.
My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English.
These are very common English sentences.
Practice them every day.
Listening helps you understand English.
Speaking helps you become more confident.
Reading helps you learn new words.
Writing helps you improve your grammar.
Keep practicing a little every day.
Small steps lead to great results.
Learning English is a wonderful journey.
Stay patient and enjoy the process.
You are improving every day.
Believe in yourself.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
Before we say goodbye, we have one more question.
What is your favorite subject at school?
Is it English?
Is it science?
Or do you like mathematics?
Tell us in the comments.
We look forward to reading your answers.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
We really enjoyed today's conversation.
We hope you learned some useful English.
Keep practicing every day.
Stay positive and keep learning.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope to see you again in the next episode.
Have a wonderful day.
Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep practicing English.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye!